Tired of that infuriating message saying your devices just won't connect to your iPhone hotspot? Let's get you back online in just a few easy steps. First things first, let's dive into your iPhone settings and tap on Personal Hotspot. Make sure the Allow Others to Join toggle is switched on. Sounds obvious, but it's the most common culprit. Next, double-check your Wi-Fi password. It's super easy to mistype or forget it. Tap on the Wi-Fi password field and make sure you're entering it correctly on your other devices. Try changing it to something simple to test if password issues are the problem. A quick toggle of airplane mode can sometimes work wonders. Swipe down from the top right to access Control Center. Tap the airplane icon to enable it, wait for about 10 seconds, and then tap it again to disable. This refreshes your iPhone's network connections. Now, let's head back to the main settings menu and tap on Cellular. Then Cellular Data Options. Ensure that Low Data Mode is turned off, as it can sometimes interfere with hotspot functionality. If none of that works, it's time for the big guns. Go back to the main settings menu, scroll down to General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone and then tap Reset. Do not tap Erase all content and settings. On the next menu, tap Reset Network Settings. This will clear your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have them handy. Don't worry, this won't erase any of your personal data, but it will refresh your network configuration. Your iPhone will restart, and once it's back on, try connecting your devices to your hotspot again. This reset often resolves underlying network glitches. And that's it. You should now be able to connect your devices to your iPhone hotspot and enjoy seamless internet access. If you're still having trouble, consider contacting Apple support for further assistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.